Good morning, guys. 1:58 in the morning. We're now on the beach. The full low tide is within 3 hours. But I will start first the dry sand, but I want to get wet first. First signal is iron, or maybe battle top. Yes, battle top. Love this 52 signal. It's shallow. Alright, love this pole tab. Whew. And a zipper. A low tone with the sound of iron. By the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Alright, welcome Paul Tab. Oh, it's a ring, guys. I think this is white gold, guys. Found early. Yes, guys, there's a lot of markings inside. Whew. Nice. Burn the shoulder dip. I just need to bend so the GoPro will raise. Woo. Yes, for sure this is gold, guys. Yes. Woohoo. Almost can't believe this. It's 57. I will do the same. Dry sand to water, back and forth. Oh, it's a zipper. Oh, another ring. Oh, it's not. Looks like an engagement ring, guys. Look at that. It's a funny pull tab. Woo. Nice. You pranked me, huh? Encrusted metal. I don't know what is it. It's 44, guys, and it's in the surface. Another ring, guys. And it's two-tone. not sure if this is night stainless or maybe a white and yellow gold. It's 44 iron. Oh, 5 peso coin. It's one. It is Apple tab. Oh, another ring, guys. It rings like 62. I love it, but it's black, so I'm sure this is treasure, but it could only be a tungsten carbide. 62. I think platinum is also 62. I think this is tungsten carbide, guys. There's marking inside. I cannot read. Yes, maybe tungsten. That's okay. At least you found a ring. Third ring. Oh, it's 2:39 in the morning. Another ring. And we're now on the chest dip. I love this place. Woo. 5 peso brass coin. A bottle top. Still, I want to dig this. It's multiple signal. See, I thought it's just a bottle top, but there are multiple signals. One of them is 5 peso brass coin. So let's find what's the other metal, because bottle top is mostly mixed signal, mixed ID with iron. But ooh, see that, guys? See, there is iron and non-iron, because this 20 pesos is iron, 5 peso is brass, a mixed signal. That is why I always dig bottle top signal. You will never know. It's a mixed ID because there are multiple metals, iron and brass. 55, 52. Oh, 1 peso copper nickel. 1 peso copper nickel. Oh, it's a ring, guys. The ring. Look, fast ring. That's why it keeps on falling off the hook. I think it's made of brass. Right. It's 71. Oh, yes, 71 is a brass 25 centavo coin. 25 centavos is copper, nickel, and zinc. Copper, nickel, zinc, brass. Another pull tab. Pull tab, a pull tab, and 10 peso coin. That is why it's 55 and 65. This is 65, pull tab is 55. Yes, a solid pull tab 52. Yes. Why are you digging pull tab signals? Because gold is also 52. Alright. 68. So 5 peso brass coin. Good morning, pull tab. 5:20 in the morning. Allowed 65. It's 1 peso iron coin. But where is that 65? Most of the time 65 is 10 peso coin. Alright, this is what I'm looking for. Right, see that, guys? That's 10 peso coin. Small coin. I think this is all 5 centavo Philippine coins. Alright. Oh, it's 1 peso copper nickel. Hey guys, 5:43 in the morning, and I did not get any signal anymore, so maybe it's time to go home. See you on the wrap up, guys. For the wrap up, guys, I found 114 pesos and 25 centavos, and this old 5 centavos. I also found this trash. I did not notice I dug more iron, bottle caps, and I dug 21 pull tabs. The last time I dug 30 pull tabs. And I found 4 rings. This is a brass ring. This is two-tone. Looks like yellow and white gold, but I think this is only stainless steel. I found this heavy tungsten carbide, and the find of the day is this 14 karat white gold. I found this like after 12 minutes and I hunt. This is 8.7, I think. Right, 869 or 8.7 grams. Tungsten is 12.13. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video. See you next time.